How to create Shopify store in simplified steps. Hey, how's it going guys? Welcome to my channel. For the subscriber, welcome back. To those who don't know me, my name is Kevin, and in the past 6 months, I do Shopify Dropshipping in Qatar. If you haven't subscribed yet, and if you are new here, hit the subscribe button below for future videos about Shopify Dropshipping. So in the previous episode, we talked about how I did the entire operation doing Shopify Dropshipping. If you haven't seen the previous video, I'll just put it somewhere in this video. And right now, in this episode, I'm gonna walk you through, guide you, hold you in the hand on how to create the store or the e-commerce website. And if you stick to the end of this video, you'll obtain a new skill, a high-paid skill in developing the Shopify platform. I'll be showing you the super simplified and step-by-step tutorial in parts. Part number 1 is deciding your brand store name. Part number 2 is creating the Shopify account and setting up the payment method and delivery rates. Part 3 is choosing a color branding and creating a logo. Part 4 is designing your website, and part 5 listing your first product. But before we start, let me remind you that everything in this video is learnable and trainable skill. Without further ado, let's get started. Deciding your brand store name. So first, you need to think about the name of your store. It is better if it is related to the product to your specific niche to sell. Either it's about health and wellness, fitness, beauty, jewelries, home and improvement, and more. You need to narrow down your niche so you won't compete with the big sellers or big stores. I'll be giving you an example. So I choose the home improvement niche. The store name should be related to the niche. In my case, I named it as Home Trends QA. By the way, you can name your store depending on your preference as long as it will give meaning to you and to the audience. After you decide the name, it is time to create your business email. So you'll register and create email using Google. This email will serve you as a customer service email. So the name and the email must have your store name. To create your business email, go to google.com. Click create account. Then choose to manage my business and fill all the required fields and verify your account. To give you an idea, I'll give an example. So in my case, Home Trends QA customer care at gmail.com. Once everything is done, your email is ready. Creating the Shopify account and setting up. In creating the Shopify store, you need to register. Go to shopify.com or click the link I already attached in the description. Then use your email address you made from the previous part of this video, which is I use as hometrendsqa customer care at gmail.com. Then click start 14 days trial. Then fill up all the details and verify your account. Once done, you will be redirected to the Shopify dashboard. Next is go to the settings, then general, and fill up everything about your store, especially the currency. Next is go to payments, then activate the PayPal payments if you have one. Please take note that Qatar PayPal won't support bank withdrawal, so you better register to another country. And in my case, since I'm from the Philippines, I registered in PayPal Philippines. And next is to activate manual payments, which is the cash on delivery. This payment method is what I actually use in my dropshipping, and it will give high conversion rate. Residents in Qatar do really like cash on delivery services. Then fill additional information and instruction for your cash on delivery service, either just to remind them to fill all the delivery details. Next is to go to shipping and delivery, then manage rates. Then delete every rate that is existing and create a new one. Click create shipping zone, then choose Qatar only. After that, click on add rate, then add your delivery rates. Next is go back to settings, then go to legal. Click every section with replace with template. Choosing a color branding and creating a logo. Choosing your color branding is important because it is the reflection of your brand identity. You can refer to those big brands to get some ideas. So once you have already picked a color branding, you can now create your logo. Your logo must be clear, visual appealing, and simple. I use Canva in creating logo. If you want to try to make and design your own logo, I'm gonna put the link below in the description. Canva is a very excellent online graphic tool. You will only use your web browser to edit or create images. It has many templates that you can take advantage in creating designs, not just logo but many more. Now I'm gonna show you how I create my logo using Canva. So the color and logo is ready. Let's jump into the next part. Designing the website. In the dashboard, find the sales channel. In the left side, you can see the online store. Click it. First, we're gonna choose a theme. You can check out the free themes. Click Explore Free Themes, and you can choose different kinds of free themes. And what I use personally is another theme that is not included in the list. The theme is called the Beautify. You need to download it first and install it in your Shopify store. What I like in this theme is that it is fast to load. It is also optimized for mobile and has a ton of apps and add-ons that will help increase your conversion rate. I'm gonna include the link below for this theme if you want to try. For this video, I'll just gonna use the debut 3 themes. You need to install the theme, then after you pick the theme, click Customize button. Delete everything except header and image with text overlay. Click the header section, then upload the logo that you made. Adjust it to a proper size and placement. You can also modify the navigation menu. Just click Edit menu, and also set up an announcement bar in your home page. Next is the image with text overlay. You can upload stock photos or any of your desired photo cover. You can add text with buttons also. For the buttons, you can put Shop Now, which will redirect the visitor to your product page. Next is to go to theme settings found in the lower left part of the section. In this section, you can adjust the colors of your store, the fonts, which is the typography. In the social media section, you can attach the social links of your brands. Either it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Then after that, in the checkout section, upload your logo also and change the color of the checkout same as what you desired in the general setup, and preview your store. Listing the first product. To list your first product that you wanna sell, go back to the dashboard. Then in the upper left portion of the dashboard, click Products. Then press the button Add Product. Fill up the title and the description. In the description, you can put the details of the product and its benefits. You can also add some GIF image to look unique to the visitor. Next is to add the image of the product. It should be clean and no existing logo of it. Next is the pricing. Put the price and the compare price. Then, below, put the cost per item. You should put a 20% and above for profit margin. Then put the quantity. Next is country of origin, which is Qatar. If the product you are selling has a variant, you can check it and add some. After that, go to product status, then change the draft to active. And now you have your first product. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video and give value to you. And if you really enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment below what is your biggest takeaway. And be sure to hit like button and subscribe to give you updates for my next videos. Peace!